Good morning. Did you sleep good? Do you feel good? What'd you dream about? Hi guys. Mama's tired. If you don't know, my name is Khaleesi. Hi, nice to meet you. Glad you're here. Welcome to my daily vlog. I'm in a new place. I'm in a new space. I'm in the exact same sweatshirt that I've had for maybe 7 years now. And it is 7-ish in the morning. Rolling my face, making my coffee, just kind of enjoying some me time before the baby wakes up and Ada wakes up. I'll tell you what. Long time no see. How are we? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Motherhood, going great. Wifehood, going great. Homeownerhood, going great. Daughter in Christhood, going great. Any new updates for you? Oh, have I told y'all we have a dog? We got a dog. His name's Jet. That's about it. All right, let's get to stepping. Good morning, stink bug. Morning, Dargus. Thank you. Let's change your stinky diaper. Behold, a foot. Behold, the other foot. He's gentle. 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 What do you want? You want eggs?
No.
No eggs?
No.
What else do you want then?
No.
Oh, I don't think you know what you're saying. Do you want a pouch?
I.
Pouch?
I.
Yeah.
I.
Hi. Hi. Can you roll your face? Like mama? Oh, thank you. Oh, okay. Oh, need some WD-40. So thank you. You're welcome. They shut our water off last night right after I made dinner. They shut it off at like 8 o'clock, only because we have a main line break, so they're fixing it and they have to turn the water off. Thank God I gave her a bath first. However, me, Miss Stinky over here, didn't get one in time. And I didn't get to do dishes. We don't have a dishwasher. So this pile of dishes over here is really embarrassing. Also, our chickens are laying eggs. This is a regular mature chicken and this is ours. Nonetheless, I'm thrilled. Want some juice? Squeeze the bottom. This is just, sometimes I act like she understands what I'm saying. I was about to spell out multivitamin. Ada Beth, you know what multivitamin means? Heard. And this is her probiotic. Yummy. Need some help?
Yes.
Are you seasoning? Don't eat it, please. It's yucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, yuck. Egg strips. Oh, I have to do dishes. Here. She likes them. It's okay. We'll come outside when it's warmer. Come here. You come here. Ready, set, peekaboo. You say boo?
Boo.
Great job.
Boo.
Boo. Bark, 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 bark. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I'm trying to do a less verbal route of a vlog because realistically I don't talk that much. Can you go get me your shoes? We gotta go take that to the chickens. Hi, Jetty. Hi, Jetty. I put your hand. Come on, Jet, watch out, buddy. Jet. Come on, girl. You got it. Good job. Come on, this way. Hey, girls. They're waiting for you. Hi, girls. Look. Okay, let's give them some food. Can I see? Let me see. Please? Can I see? You don't understand. These are our lifeblood. Let's get them cold. Here, you hold these. We ate 2 eggs and got 2 eggs. So, we're even. My pile of dishes. As a crunchy mom, I've been seeing it all over TikTok with the Dawn Power Wash. I got it just for funsies one day. It is absolutely so annoying how much better this works than this. The hype was real. Time for the dreaded dishes. At this point, it's 10:26, 10:30. We're stingy with our screen time, but she's in there watching Dr. Pol right now. It's a win. I get to do dishes. She gets to learn about animals. Fun, fun. Whoa, she's coming. She's coming! Get away! Wanna help me with dishes? Thank you. Dad works really late, so on his off days, just let him sleep. Chicken food. What's wrong? What? It's a cow. Cow says moo. Also, we haven't painted our drawers because I'm not really sold on this cabinet color. You want a color?
Yeah.
Here you go. What does a dog say? Good job. What does a chicken say? Good job. What does a cow say? Good job. What does a horse say? Good job. What does a fish do? Can you thump your chest like a gorilla? Hello? Ada went down for a nap. I am crocheting small string into a larger string. See? This is what we're making. Can you see that? Don't look at me. Look at this. See how horrible I am at this? But I needed a thicker rope cord thing for making a...
What up with it?
We're making a giant prayer necklace. Dad's awake now.
Got up at like 8:30 this morning. Exercised.
Oh, is that where you were?
balanced Breakfast, did yoga, cleansed, all by 9:30. Where were you?
Gosh, I just couldn't find you. Maybe I
That's weird.
was just not looking. Were you in the garage?
Yeah.
Oh. But yeah, Chicken Girl's down for a nap. We're kind of just vibing, taking a relaxing break. Had a nice productive morning. Trying to figure out what we want to eat for lunch. I want white rice. Also don't have to have it. Like, what do you want?
Steak.
We can make steak and rice.
Do we have steak?
No, but you can go get some. You'd have to go, you're probably gonna have to go get any protein.
Okay, hear me out.
Hearing.
Burritos, but lunch style.
What's a regular burrito?
Yeah, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, cheese,
Beans,
corn.
greens, tomato, potato.
Why are you asking me? I don't ever pick. I don't want to pick.
Well, it's just kind of weird because nothing sounds good right now. Uh-oh. Surely not. Hey, do you have any updates for them? Give them any quick, like, hey, how are you guys? It's been a long time.
Hey guys and girlsies. The child is growing. She is larger than previously seen by you, and she speaks words and runs.
Dances
and
a lot.
Dances a lot. She loves heavy metal.
Ada's favorite bands right now are Hillsong and Sleep Token.
Do they know what I do for a living?
I don't know. He's a bartender now. I'm not sure if I've told you guys that. He's so good at it, and it's so much fun, so I love that for him. But it's not at, like, you know, your local tavern. No offense.
Craft Cocktail Bar.
We met at the tavern.
Scratch Kitchen, Craft Cocktails. It is the best restaurant in the place that we live.
What a beautiful day. We have so much time to get stuff done, is it not?
Yeah, for sure. 100%.
So,
But at least I'm off today, so we still have plenty of time. And I feel the motivation in my loins right now.
oh good. Okay, we should start then. Let's start by making a lunch plan. Good morning. Hi ho. Hi, Sugar Bear. Chicken pie. Honey butt. You give Dad a kiss? You a little tired? Earth to Ada. Ada, tell Dad you want Chick-fil-A. Can you say Chick-fil-A? No. You have to take that out of your mouth to say Chick-fil-A. Both of y'all are just grunting so much. Hi! Why do you look so scared? Hi!
Why are you so heavy?
You want a french fry? Please take a bite. Here, Dad, you want your fries?
I would like to tell the people about that one time that you were mad at me about something, and to get me back, you ate half of my Chick-fil-A fries before I looked in the bag, and then you left. And I opened my bag for the first time to like 4 total fries.
It was like a harmless, do not seek revenge, do not keep record of wrong. However, I thought that was the most...
My stomach took harm.
We are at Lowe's. That's how we convinced him to go. He didn't want to drive to town for Chick-fil-A, but he would if we had to go to Lowe's as well. And then I added on a potential Hobby Lobby stop. Hey, she just wiped her greasy hands. Okay, I'll let y'all know what we get from Lowe's. Love you, bye. We're home. We went to Home Depot and Hobby Lobby. And let me give you a haul. Okay, we got lots of standard duplex receptacles. We've got 2 scrub fathers. We've got Swiffer. Swiffer. Can you say Swiffer? Good job. Swiffer pads. I asked for a mop for Christmas, so hopefully that's the last time we have to buy those. Not only any mop, I asked for a wet vacuum. Anyway, focus. I got cabinet and door, all paint, varnish, and urethane contractor pack of 6 paint rollers. 2 cutesy little paint holder things. A staining pad, an unbreakable wall plate, plaque mural, mayones y casebles, placa de pared, tamaño medio, irrompible, all-purpose squeegee so I can clean my very large windows. Fire block sealant, not to be confused with caulk. Water-based solid color stain, 1 coat, color dries in 1 hour, more color, less grain, 5 times thicker, easy application, True Black 274. We're staining our dining table black. Polyacrylic crystal clear top coat, durable, fast drying protection for small, medium projects, keep color true, easy application with a smooth tub finish in the shade clear. A flexible foil duck in the shade silver, duct is what I meant to say. Metal worm gear clamp. Okay. I feel like we just throw words in there that aren't that. Worm, we got 2 of those in the shade silver. Next, we've got a 6-foot dryer cord. I also just love it because this shade of like, it's almost taupe and it's just like a really nice neutral and it goes with everything. Next, okay. I need to breathe. Yeah, good job. Okay, moving on to Hobby Lobby. We've got a center release buckle, Sharpies, nylon strapping so I can sew some extra strappage to said apron for him. More candlesticks. Check out that color seek. And that's just like a nice color palette. I agree. Obsessed with candlesticks at the moment, but again, who isn't? Am I obsessed with it or is the internet telling me to be obsessed with it? that's something that I'm really working on right now. Next, I've been trying to think of like a nice timeless table centerpiece that I can switch up. Like, just think about it. I can just switch up these candles to change color. 2 tall-ish candlesticks, 2 medium-ish candlesticks, and 2 cute little baby candlesticks next. So yes, these, super cute. And they were like $3 a piece. Then you can just never have enough. And as we all know, it's a ribbon Christmas this year. These in satin, these 3 in velvet, just like a burgundy that matches my trim, and a green, and a magenta-y red. That's what we got. Exciting stuff. Chicken, would you like a bath? You want a bath? Yeah, okay, we take bath. Are you having fun in there? Another one? What is this?
Lemon drop.
Can you tell me what went into this?
It's a little bit heavy pour, you know, slightly heavy pour. About 3 ounces. I did about 1.5 ounces of simple syrup.
That's good. Hi, Mr. Elephant. Hi, Mr. Octopus. Can I have a hug? Yes. Can you talk? Good job. What are you poking your nose for? Want to poke my nose? Okay, I'm sorry. Here. I didn't mean to take it away. But it was time to get out of the bath. Look at that. Looks like I'm holding a grown woman. Give it a kiss. Thank you. Kiss. Thank you. Kiss. Kiss. Ah! Look what her hair does after a bath. Let me show them your curly hair. You just know how to look directly in the camera. Say goodnight, baby. Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye, Mom.
Say, I love you. Oh, blow a kiss. You're so sweet. Y'all got lucky. That was a cute little cameo because she was being sweet. Okay. I'm tired. The sweet chicken is down for bed. Dad's putting her to sleep right now. And Mom's tired. I forgot I agreed to do this. So party on, Wayne. You're welcome. Look at those little straps. Looks good. You're welcome. What a great day we had together. It is 10 o'clock and I am tired, so I'm signing off for the night. I have a giant bowl of pasta calling my name. Thanks y'all for hanging out with me and with Dad. Let me know what you guys think about this new vlog style. I can talk more, I can talk less. Either way, it's something new and I want to know what you think because I kind of liked it. It was a lot easier and a lot less pressure. I wish I wasn't this tired because I would have a lot more to say. Nonetheless, thank you for such a great day. We love you. Jesus loves you. Ada loves you. Can't wait to see you guys again. Peace, love, parenthood.
You're hot.
Am I?
Your temperature is also kind of high. Later, nerds.
Love you, bye.